everyone. Today we are discussing the differences between our DSW and PhD programs. Our doctoral programs prepare students for different career paths, so I'll be explaining each so that you can decide which is the better fit for your career goals. So let's start off by talking about DSW versus PhD programs in general. PhD programs are traditionally centered on research and attract students who want to conduct research as one of their primary job functions. Think careers in academia. DSW degrees, on the other hand, are more of a practitioner's doctorate, meant for social workers who want to advance their practice in the field. While most PhD programs are research-focused, DSW programs can vary greatly in both focus and content. So it's important to think about what skills you are hoping to learn and what your career goals are to find a program that will be the best fit for you. Now let's talk about UB's programs more specifically. In order to be a good fit for our PhD in social welfare, you have to love research. But you also must be independent, because what makes our program unique is that it is also interdisciplinary and truly individualized. The PhD students only take a couple of classes together in the School of Social Work, but otherwise customize their coursework based on their individual research interests by taking courses across the university within a variety of disciplines. There's also a focus on mentoring, so make sure we have faculty members here whose research topics or methods overlap your interests somewhat, so they can serve as advisors for you to help you grow as a researcher. After completing the program, most of our PhD graduates obtain tenure-track faculty positions at universities. The DSW program, on the other hand, is ideal for practitioners looking to bridge the gap between research and practice. Our DSW program teaches social workers how to use implementation science to translate research into best practice interventions and identify strategies to address barriers to effective service delivery and program uptake. This is applicable at all levels of social work practice and in both clinical and non-clinical settings. Unlike the PhD program, the DSW students move through their coursework together as a cohort, each learning the same implementation science, but applying it differently depending on their population and area of practice. While some DSW graduates obtain clinical faculty positions, most are looking to enhance their role within their current agency, improve their interventions, and serve as social work leaders in their practice area. Now, there is a reason why I wanted to start by discussing focus and not format. You should really choose the doctoral program that's going to help you achieve your goals based on its content. Don't just decide on a program based on convenience, time, or money if it isn't a good fit for what you want. That being said, there are some big differences in structure between our doctoral programs. Our DSW program is 3 years and is only offered online and part-time, so most DSW students continue working while they are in the program. The PhD program, on the other hand, takes about 4 to 6 years to complete and is only offered full-time and on campus, so students cannot work while in the PhD program. Funding also differs between the two programs. The DSW is self-funded, so most students apply for federal loans via the FAFSA or use a combination of savings and employer-based funding to cover the cost. The PhD program is funded. All admitted PhD students receive a funding package, including a tuition waiver and a research assistantship that comes with a stipend. Hopefully, this gives you a better idea of the main differences between the DSW and PhD programs to allow you to make an informed decision on which one is right for you. You can learn more about each program on our website.